What's good? It's your boy Jerome from JeromeHolderFitness.com.
Hi, I'm Carla.
And in this video, we are going to be making a chocolate peanut butter bar keto style. All right, let's get into the video. So we got some ingredients here. Carla, you want to explain like what we have? What are we using here?
Well, instead of flour, we're using almond flour. And then we have our vanilla. And then we're using swerve replacement sugar for the sugar.
Nice.
We still have the butter for the good fats. We have chocolate chips here, but these are sugar-free chocolate chips.
Sugar-free, so they're sweetened with stevia, guys. So you don't have to, get the regular ones, all right?
And then we got some peanut butter.
Nice. So we got all the ingredients here, and we're gonna get to baking. All right, let's go. All right. So first, we're gonna get 3/4 a cup of almond flour. Put it all in a mixing bowl. Then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of swerve icing sugar. Then you throw in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now we get the thickness. We get the peanut butter. All right, so now if you don't like peanut butter, just stop this video and find another one because the flavor is really gonna come mostly from the peanut butter. So you're gonna mix that all in there. I mean, obviously they're peanut butter bars, right? So mix it all in the bowl, and then you're gonna get some butter, and we're gonna melt the butter. You're gonna just put it in for a few seconds until it melts. All right. See, ours didn't melt, so we have to put it back in. But once you get it melted, you put it inside of the mixing bowl. All right, you're gonna stir it in. Stir it, stir it. It's gonna get to a nice consistency. All right, because we're gonna be using this for the base of the bar. And then you throw it into a glass dish. You put some parchment paper as like the base part to hold on to the peanut butter bar. All right, and we actually doubled down on this recipe so you can double it so it's a lot more bars and it'll fill up the whole glass. Now you want to get your chocolate chips, so you're gonna get 1/2 a cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. Put that in a cup. All right, and then you're gonna throw it in a bowl. Put it in the microwave for 20 seconds to start, and then you can add 5 to 10 second intervals until it's completely melted. Now you're gonna, oh man, you're gonna pour that on top of the peanut butter. Oh, look at that chocolate. The chocolatey goodness. Oh man, she's spreading it. So you're gonna spread it on top of the peanut butter. All right, that's gonna, honestly, this is what made it taste amazing. So I'm actually doing this after we already tasted it. So yes, it does taste great. So you just spread it. And spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it. It should basically cover the peanut butter. So you shouldn't see any peanut butter before you put it in the fridge. And then 1 hour for about... Yummy! Look at those. Those look good. All right, so we are done. These amazing peanut butter bars, all right? I don't even know if they're amazing yet because we haven't even tried them. No. All right, but I'm assuming they look beautiful.
They look good.
All right, what do you guys think? Do you think these look good? I know you think these look good, right? You're probably jealous, but it's okay. We're giving you the recipe. All right, so we're gonna try it and let you know how it is. Let's dig in. Like, I love me some chocolate.
And
cheers. And peanut butter. This is phenomenal.
They taste, if you like Reese's Buttercups, you'll like these.
Yeah, these are great. And there's no guilt, because guess what? There's no sugar, all right? These are stevia, non-sweetened chocolate. Literally, like, this literally looks like, this looks like something you would buy in like a store.
It's not getting...
Like, look at this. This looks like something you'd buy in a store. Like, look at the texture. Like, this is amazing. All right, so give it a shot. Share this recipe with someone that you know that's struggling. Don't hold out. All right, you might know somebody that's really trying to get in shape, but they're dealing with a bunch of cravings. Don't keep this a secret. Let them know. Share this video with them so they have a treat that they can make that'll still keep them progressing, but at the same time will take away any of the cravings. All right. Now, if you like this recipe, like this video, please drop a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe so we can spread the message of good health and fitness. All right. Peace.